To make X account or Twitter account public, first you need to open X application. Tap on your profile icon. Now tap on settings and support. Click on settings and privacy. Now go to privacy and safety. Now tap on audience and tagging. And here there is no option for private or public account. There is two options: protect your post and protect your videos. So when you enable these two, then your account becomes private. Only your followers can see your posts and videos. But when you turn this off, then anyone on Twitter or X can view your post or videos. By disabling this, your account is public. So in this way you can make your Twitter account or X account public. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.